Good
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Okay. This is a very interesting chapter. The snake and the mirror. Title itself seems interesting. Is it or is it? Have you seen snakes?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Snakes are considered very dangerous, isn't it? Snakes are considered very.
मैम आपका आवाज बहुत धीरे आ रहा है मैम.
धीरे आ रहा है. अच्छा ठीक
तुम
है.
अपना वॉल्यूम बढ़ाओ.
आवाज.
भाई वॉल्यूम पूरा तेज है मैम.
किसको धीरे आ रहा है? दिव्यांशु. हेलो.
यस मैम. यस मैम.
दूसरे लोग किसी को धीरे आ रहा है? हेलो.
यस मैम आ रहा है.
धीरे.
यस मैम.
ठीक है, हम देख रहे हैं.
अच्छा,
मैम थोड़ा देखिए.
हेडफोन या ईयरफोन लगा लो.
अब सही आ रहा है? हेलो.
यस मैम.
यस मैम.
Okay. The snake and the mirror. So today we will study this chapter, the snake and the mirror. All of you have seen snakes in your life. Snakes are considered to be poisonous, venomous.
Yes, ma'am.
You know the meaning of venom? V-E-N-O-M?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Zahreela.
जहरीला. Venom मतलब poison होता है. Venomous. If you add O-U-S, then the word becomes venomous. That means poisonous. Venom means poison. So here we'll study this chapter, the snake and the mirror. Before you read, warm up questions. Do you like to look at yourself in the mirror? अपना चेहरा देखना किसको किसको अच्छा?
यस मैम.
सबको ना.
देखना
Yes,
पड़ता
ma'am.
है.
का बाल बनाते होंगे चेहरे मिरर के सामने, है कि नहीं? So
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
yes, क्यों नहीं? Do you like to look at yourself in the mirror? What do you think about at such times? When you see your face in the mirror, what do you think about yourself?
No one like me.
I'm so handsome. सोचते हो ऐसा?
No one like.
Don't like. Have you ever?
No one like me.
You don't like your face. Have you ever seen a dog, a cat, or a bird look into a mirror? Human
Yes,
beings
ma'am. Bird.
देखते हैं. जानवरों को कभी देखा है मिरर देखते हुए? Have you ever seen a
Yes,
मैं
ma'am.
मंकी
Yes,
को
ma'am.
देखा. मैं मंकी.
देखा है? सत्य?
Bird.
मंकी.
हाँ?
हम नहीं देखा है.
नहीं देखा.
हम
Bird
कभी
को देख.
नहीं.
Do animals also admire their image in the mirror? Can you guess? Do animals also admire their image in the mirror? Have
No
you
ma'am.
seen a dog, a cat, or a bird look into a mirror?
No ma'am.
Looking and admiring, what do you think it sees? So, what do you think it sees? Now read this humorous story about a doctor, a snake, and a mirror. So there are three important characters in this story. You know the meaning of humorous? What does humorous mean? Tell me. Hello.
Ma'am, dangerous.
Dangerous ना? Dangerous तो नहीं होता. Dangerous मतलब hazardous को dangerous कहते हैं. Humorous का meaning क्या हुआ? बताओ. It's a simple word, common. What is the meaning of
मैम
humorous?
हास्य. मैम हास्य. मैम हंसना. मैम हास्य.
So, humorous means?
हास्य.
Humorous means funny. हास्य. Hindi meaning
Ma'am, funny, amusing, amusing.
So, yes, amusing. So humorous means funny. So today we are going to read a funny story about a doctor, a snake, and a mirror. And who are the three main characters of this story?
Doctor.
Who are the three main characters of the story? A doctor, a snake, and a mirror. Has a snake ever coiled itself around any part of your body? ऐसा कभी हुआ है?
No, ma'am. No,
नहीं
ma'am.
हुआ है. So,
Um,
but if you see the protagonist of the story, I told you the meaning of protagonist. Do you remember? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody tell me the meaning of protagonist? बताया है पहले?
न्याय.
हाँ?
The main character.
Yes, Pragya, you answered. Yes, Pragya, you are attentive. Very good. So a protagonist means main character. So who is the protagonist of this story? It is a doctor.
Snake.
Has a snake ever coiled itself around any part of your body? A full-blooded cobra. And imagine a cobra coiling around someone's body. Coil मतलब गोल लपेट लेना. So in this story, we will read how a doctor reacts when all of a sudden a very unexpected thing happens to the doctor. What unexpected thing happens? So one day suddenly,
What, ma'am?
doctor, what unexpected thing happens with the mirror? Suddenly, one day the snake coils around the doctor's body. Has a snake ever coiled around your body?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. But if we see our main character in the story, who is a doctor, he has a very, very strange and frightening experience. The screen is visible to you? Screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Chapter दिख रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Humorous. It means funny. I will ask you the word meanings tomorrow. The first thing that I will do is ask you the word meaning. So you have to be attentive. And I want everyone to answer. Only a few students answer. Pragya, Srishti, Nirbhay, Anuj, यही लोग answer करते हैं. What about others? So has a snake ever coiled itself around any part of your body? A full-blooded cobra. All of us fell silent. So here this question is asked by a homeopath doctor. The homeopath doctor is sitting along with his friends. It is just a gathering of common friends. So the main character is a homeopath doctor, and the homeopath doctor is asking his friends. This is a question asked by the doctor. Has a snake ever coiled around any part of your body? And all the friends fell silent. Doctor's friends, they did not have any reply to the question. This frightening experience was not experienced by anybody. Any of his friend had not got this experience of a cobra coiling round their body. The topic came up when we were discussing snakes. So the doctor and his friend, they were just having a discussion on snakes. And suddenly this homeopath doctor, he asks his friends that, have you got the experience of a cobra coiling around your body? And everyone was silent. We listened attentively as the doctor continued with his tale. After that, the doctor told all his friends a story. I told you meaning of TALE, tale. Anybody tell me? Meaning of tail?
Story. What story?
Story, ma'am.
That day we dealt with some confusing words in English. In that also I told you about tail. This tail means story.
Story.
You have studied in
Story.
your, class 8 also, no? Any a
Yes,
tale
ma'am.
of a tale. Have you studied it? It was earlier prescribed in the class 8 book. I don't know how, whether it is there now.
इस बोहेमिया
Swami story.
उसमें ये वर्ड आया था.
अच्छा. It was a hot summer night.
Ma'am,
about
Swami
10
वाला
o'clock.
था.
The tale of a tale. ऐसा कुछ I studied. I had taught this chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
I think it is there in either in class 7 or 8. I don't remember. So it was a hot summer night about 10 o'clock. ये यहाँ से डॉक्टर की कहानी शुरू होती है. Doctor is telling the story about his experience of how the snake coiled around his body. So it was a hot summer night, about 10 o'clock. I had my meal at the restaurant and returned to my room. Now this doctor is a bachelor. He is not yet married. So no one to cook at home. He has his meal in the restaurant. It was a hot summer night and the doctor, he had his meal in the restaurant and he returned to his room. I heard a noise from above as I opened the door. He entered the house, and when he entered the house, all of a sudden he heard the noise from above. The sound was a familiar one. You know the meaning of familiar? Familiar means what?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या?
अवगत होना.
हाँ, अब
Familiar, ma'am, उससे अवगत है.
known. known ठीक रहेगा what? known मतलब
Yes, ma'am. Known.
हम जाना पहचाना.
जाना पहचाना आवाज. वो
परिचित. परिचित.
खाना. हाँ, परिचित. हाँ, यस. हिंदी मीनिंग यू कैन से परिचित आवाज जो है उसको सुनाई दिया. वो रेस्टोरेंट से खाना खा के अंदर आया. जैसे ही दरवाजा उसने खोला कि एक जाना पहचाना आवाज उसको सुनाई दिया. One could say that the rats and I shared the room. And this doctor's house was full of rats. Nobody was there. He was a bachelor, so he was living alone. But who were his companions in the room? उसके और दोस्त कौन थे? Rats. So there were many rats in this doctor's room. I took out my box of matches and lighted the kerosene lamp on the table. Now, this maybe the doctor lived in a very remote area. दूर दराज के जगह में रहते होंगे. वहाँ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं था. तो डॉक्टर ने क्या किया? केरोसिन लैंप को लाइट किया. Have you seen the kerosene lamp?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Where there
Yes,
is no
ma'am.
electricity, people use the lamp. There is a glass and there is one flame. The glass reflects the light. So there was no electricity in this doctor's room because he lived in a faraway place. So he lighted the lamp. It was night time, so he lighted the lamp. The house was not electrified. It was a small rented room. It was not his own house. He lived on rent. वो किराए पे रहता था और घर में बिजली भी नहीं थी. The house was not electrified. I had just set up medical practice and my earnings were meager. Now this doctor, he was not experienced doctor. He had just begun his practice. शुरुआत में तो earning कम ही होती है. So he had just set up means he had just finished his education and started his medical practice and his earnings were meager. Meager means it's written side. What is the spelling of meager? Small in quantity. मतलब बहुत कम. तो उसका कमाई जो था वो कितना था डॉक्टर का? कम था या ज्यादा था? हेलो हेलो कम था. हाँ, he was not experienced.
Small in amount.
Yes, small in amount. And I'm going to ask all the meanings. And not only a few students will, I will point out the name and ask you. So I had just set up medical practice and my earnings were meager. Meager means less in amount, बहुत कम. अभी कमाई बहुत कम थी, अभी नया नया practice शुरू किया था, experience थी नहीं. I had about 60 rupees in my suitcase. You can imagine how poor the doctor is. Just 60 rupees was there in his suitcase, along with some shirts and dhotis. I also possessed one solitary black coat. Yet his garments were also very simple, shirts and dhotis. But he had one unique black coat, solitary. Solitary means what? Solitary means
मैम अकेला.
Unique.
मैम one single.
only
Single.
single.
Lonely.
एक ही. Lonely होता है,
मैम
लेकिन
single.
इस context देखो इंग्लिश in
मैम
English words
इसमें single होगा.
हाँ इसमें single होगा. In English you know words convey their meaning according to the context. हाँ we can say
Yes, ma'am.
mother beat her child. Mother beats her child for making mischief. हाँ mother beats her child for making mischief. Beat मतलब मारना हुआ. The India beat West Indies in a cricket match. What is the meaning of beat here?
हम हरा देना.
हरा देना. So
Loss.
it is the same word, but the meaning changes according to the context. So in English also, the meaning is different according to the context. यहाँ पर हम कोट को अकेला single, only one quote. You cannot say the meaning of solitary as lonely over here. Here you can say the meaning as single. One solitary black coat which I was then wearing. So he had only one coat. उसके पास एक ही कोट था. I took off my black coat, white shirt and not so white vest. He took off. खाना खा के बाहर आए थे तो what do we do when we come from outside? We wear comfortable home dress. So this doctor also, he removed his black coat, white shirt and not so white vest. What about his undergarment? Banyan. It was not so white. No time to clean the clothes. So his vest was not very clean and hung them. Hung matlab hang karke rakhna. I opened the two windows in the room. It was a very hot night, as he has said in the beginning of the paragraph. The night was very hot. So first thing he did is he opened the windows in the room. It was an outer room with one wall facing the open yard. So his room was an outer room. One wall was facing the open yard. Yard means open space or veranda. Yard means open space, veranda. So
Garden.
it had a tiled roof with long supporting gables. Can you see the picture of the gable? Upper part of a wall below
Yes, ma'am.
the roof. This is called the gable. In some houses, you have this kind of structure. So it had a tiled roof with long supporting gables. So the roof of the doctor's house was in this structure. It had gables that rested on the beam over the wall. You can see the pillars. There was no ceiling. So it did not have a flat ceiling. There was no ceiling. His roof was conical like this. There was no ceiling. There was no ceiling. There was a regular traffic of rats to and fro from the beam. And what about the roof of the room, the beam? What could be seen on the beam? The rats. Regular traffic of rats. मतलब इतने चूहे थे कि जैसे रोड पर गाड़ियां दौड़ती है वैसे उसके beams पे चूहे दौड़ा करती थी. There were so many rats that the doctor has compared it to the traffic on the roads. Lot of rats just moving to and fro, idhar se wahan, udhar, to and from the beam. I made my bed and pulled it close to the wall. Now the doctor has had his meal. He is making his bed ready to go to sleep. I made my bed. बिस्तर लगाया उसने. Pulled it close to the wall because it was a hot summer night. He wanted to sleep close to the wall so that he could get some air from the windows. Pulled it close to the wall. I lay down, but I could not sleep. This doctor, he lay down, but he could not sleep. Sometimes it happens, we lie down on the bed, but we cannot sleep. बहुत देर बाद बिस्तर पे नींद आती है, ऐसा होता है. तो that was the case with this doctor also. Can you hear me, all of you? Hello? Hello, my
Yes,
voice.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we can hear you.
But I could not sleep. I got up and went out to the veranda for a little air. Now, it was very hot, and that is why the doctor could not sleep. So he went to the veranda for a little air. He thought that if he goes to the veranda, he'll feel better. He'll get some fresh air over there. So he moved out from the house and went to the veranda. But the wind god seemed to have taken time off. Wind god seemed to have taken time off means what? No wind. There was no wind. A wind god भी आराम कर रहे थे. So there was no wind at all. Wind god seemed to have taken time off means there was no wind at all. अब वरांडा पे आए कि थोड़ी सी हवा लगेगी, तो वहां भी क्या हुआ? बिल्कुल भी हवा नहीं थी. So he went back to the room again. I went back into the room and sat down on the chair. He went back into the room, then he sat on the chair. I opened the box beneath the table. Beneath means, you know, hello? You know the meaning of
Under.
beneath?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Under.
I'm under नीचे.
Under. So I opened the box beneath the table. Below the table there was a box. क्या? Table. टेबल के नीचे एक बॉक्स था. बॉक्स को निकाला और उसमें से एक बुक निकाला उसने. What was the name of the book? The name of the book was Materia Medica. It was a book
Medica.
profession. Homeopath doctor. He was a homeopath doctor. So when he could not sleep, रात में नींद नहीं आई, तो डॉक्टर ने सोचा कि why not make use of the time. He thought that why not make use of the time and study something. So he took out a book from the box below the table, and the name of the book was Materia Medica. I opened it at the table on which stood the lamp and a large mirror. I opened it at the table. He put the box on the table and he opened it, and on the table, what was the other thing kept? Lamp and a large mirror. A small comb lay beside the mirror. और आईना के बगल में कंघी भी होता है. So on the table, what were the things? There was a lamp, a mirror, and a comb lay beside the mirror. So this doctor, being unable to sleep because of the hot summer night, he thought, why not make use of time and read a book related to my profession? So he took out the book from the box and started reading the book named Materia Medica. And on the lamp, on the table, there was a lamp, a mirror, and a comb. One feels tempted to look into a mirror when it is near one. सामने अगर मिरर रखा हो तो किसी को भी जो है चेहरा देखने का मन हो जाता है. Tempted means attracted. One is attracted to look at the mirror when it is kept very close. To look into the mirror when it is near one. I took a look. तो इस डॉक्टर ने भी अपना चेहरा मिरर में देखा. I took a look. In those days, I was a great admirer of beauty, and I believed in making myself look handsome. this doctor, he was very particular about his looks. उसको अपने looks का बहुत ख्याल रहता था कि हमेशा मैं handsome दिखूं. I was a great admirer of beauty. So this doctor, he gave a lot of importance to beauty. He was an admirer of beauty. He gave a lot of importance to beauty, and I believed in making myself look handsome. And he wanted to make himself look handsome. वो हमेशा अपने आप को सुंदर बनाने का प्रयास करते रहते थे. उनको विश्वास था इस बात में कि आदमी को हमेशा सुंदर दिखना चाहिए. This doctor believed that he should always make himself look very handsome. And what was the reason for this? He was unmarried. अभी शादी नहीं हुई थी. तो he was unmarried, and to get married to a beautiful lady, he also had to look handsome. That is why he gave a lot of importance to his looks. I was unmarried and I was a doctor. I felt I had to make my presence felt. So to attract anybody, to attract a beautiful girl, he also needed to be handsome. He was still a bachelor. So that was the reason why he was so particular, why he was so concerned about his looks. Okay. What did the doctor do when he was unable to sleep? कोई answer करो. Hello. 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 Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, he read.
Yes, ma'am.
बताओ.
Yes, ma'am, we hear
बताओ.
you.
Divyanshu, what did the doctor do when he was unable to sleep? Divyanshu, can you hear me?
Can I?
Yes, ma'am.
Aditya Raj. Yes, answer Aditya.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer.
Ma'am, he take out a book and read the book.
Yes, correct. Okay, he started reading a book. Okay, I was unmarried and I was a doctor. I felt I had to make my presence felt. So he thought that if he had to attract anyone, then he should look very handsome. I picked up the comb and ran it through my hair and adjusted the parting. So what he did, टेबल पे आईना पड़ा था और आईना सामने हो तो आदमी अपना चेहरा देख ही लेता है. So this doctor, he looked at his face in the mirror and he started combing his hair. I picked up the comb and ran it through my hair and adjusted the parting. Parting means, you know?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, abandon. Ma'am, जुदाई.
बाल का parting क्या होता है? बाल का parting निकालते हैं ना. हाँ, आधा इस तरफ
Yes, ma'am. अलगाव. Ma'am, अलग करना.
अलग करना. हाँ, एक तरफ के बाल इधर उधर करते हैं. कोई लोग सिर्फ पूरा पीछे करते हैं, but some people keep the parting and adjusted the parting so that it looked straight and neat. So this doctor, he started adjusting the parting of his hair and he started making his hair look straight and neat. हाँ, बाल को कंघी करने लगा, बिल्कुल वो सुंदर दिखे, बाल एकदम neatly combed हो. Again I heard the sound from above. When he had entered the room, he heard some kind of sound. जब वो खाना खा के अंदर आए थे तो एक familiar sound सुना था, जाना पहचाना सा. तो अभी वही sound फिर repeat हुआ. Again I heard that sound from above. Again he heard the same sound. I took a close look at my face in the mirror. Again he started looking in the mirror. क्या? Hello? I made
मैम
an
बार बार डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाता है।
डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाता है सबका।
Yes,
हाँ
नो मैम।
नो मैम नहीं हो रहा है मैम, किसी
No,
का
ma'am.
नो मैम,
नेटवर्क
का
प्रॉब्लम होगा।
प्रॉब्लम है, उसी का हो रहा है।
नेटवर्क का
यस
प्रॉब्लम है
मैम,
तो यू go and sit at a
नेटवर्क इशू के
place
कारण
where
हो
there
रहा
is network, on the
मैम
roof or
वाईफाई से
on the
कनेक्ट
veranda
है।
or so I believed in making. Achha, I took an important decision. I would shave daily and grow a thin mustache to look more handsome. तो हम लोग भी एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं अपने बाल के साथ, अपने फेस के साथ। बाल के साथ तो बहुत एक्सपेरिमेंट होता है। तुम लोग तो कितना तरह तरह का स्टाइल करते हो।
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम।
चारों तरफ से शेव और
Yes, ma'am.
बीच में बाल, ऐसा भी स्टाइल चला है। और बीच बीच में पार्टिंग पार्टिंग बाल, ऐसा भी स्टाइल। We all of us experiment with our hair to make ourselves look handsome and smart. So this doctor also started looking at his face, and then he made an important decision. I would shave daily and grow a thin mustache. तो डॉक्टर ने क्या डिसाइड किया? दो इम्पोर्टेंट डिसीजन कि वो हर रोज शेविंग करेंगे। शेविंग makes a person look very neat. So what did he decide? That he would shave daily, and then he decided to alter his mustache also. मुस्टैच में भी वो अपना बदलाव लाएंगे। मुस्टैच, यू नो, हेलो,
यस मैम, मूछ।
तो मूछ में क्या बदलाव लाने का डिसीजन उन्होंने लिया? अपने मूछ को वो थोड़ा और पतला करेंगे। वो सोचने लगे कि मोटा मूछ जो है मेरे चेहरे पे सूट नहीं करता है, तो क्यों नहीं मैं अपने मुस्टैच को थोड़ा और पतला कर लूं, then I will look more handsome. He was still a bachelor. He wanted to get married to beautiful lady, so he was experimenting with his looks. Grow a thin mustache to look more handsome. I was, after all, a bachelor and a doctor. After all, he was a bachelor. He was not yet married. I looked into the mirror and smiled. It was an attractive smile. फिर वो आईने में देख के और वो मुस्कुराए। और कैसा मुस्कुराहट था। मन में सोचा कि मेरी मुस्कुराहट जो है वो कितनी अट्रैक्टिव है। He was admiring himself. So he was just admiring himself, and he thought to himself that his smile was very attractive. So we'll end our class here.
ma'am.
Okay मैम।
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Yes,
Thank you
I will
मैम।
send you the questions on the WhatsApp group.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Question. ठीक है, bye.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
थैंक यू मैम।
Bye मैम, have a nice day.
अवने अवने
हेलो।
अब बोलो बोलो। बेटा
फॉर्मर ब्लास्ट होगा क्या करेंगे?
bye to everyone.
हेलो बेटा।
बोलो।
बेटा संस्कृत का पोर्शन पता है? इस बार तो पता होगा।
संस्कृत का? हाँ पता है, मैं तुमको सेंड कर देता हूँ।
ओके।
ठीक है। ये अवनीक चला गया क्या?
नहीं अभी तो है ही अभी मीटिंग में तुम्हारे नहीं अब लगता
है पर बोलने रहे।
क्या बोल रहा है?
देखो
आराम से
बेटा चला गया मेरा। बस तुम रोबोट जैसा वॉल्यूम डालो।
हेलो
बोलना भूल गया क्या? बोलना।